So I can help you set up a website pretty damn fast where you can put your logo or other slogans you came up with, funny sayings, your art, graphic designs. I mean, like, there's a lot of range of what you can put on apparel, as well as accessories, home items, all sorts of cool stuff. And so I'm not a drop shipping expert by any means, but I have set up several sites for people. I'm setting up one for myself, so I'm kind of just going through that process again to remind myself. And so if you want your own website where you can sell merchandise, but you don't have to like physically store it, because someone like the business is going to do that for you, and it just connects to your website. So you take payment and your partner fulfills the order by sending out the t-shirt or whatever. So if you're interested in getting that set up, I can totally do that for you. And I'm going to be giving a masterclass basically on the starting point for this tomorrow, which is setting up your WordPress website with WooCommerce.